Hey, hi, this is Waleed, and I'm currently working as a full stack AI engineer. My experience on the front end includes ReactJS with TypeScript, Next.js, Material UI, and the Chakra. And yeah, obviously, other libraries on the back end, I have experience with Node.js, Nest.js, TypeScript, Express.js, and Fastify. On database side, I have experience with both RDBMS and NoSQL. On cloud, I have experience with GCP and Azure. Apart from that, I have built multiple AI agents and or like chat and voice agents with Gemini, Grok, OpenAI, and 11 Labs as well. Apart from that, I have experience working with multiple product owners directly, drilling down the requirements, converting them to the stories, and making sure of the smooth deliveries from the development to the deployment on the production server. And yeah, I am here to look for to explore more opportunities, and yeah, I'll be looking forward to those opportunities.